Samsung's latest premium earbuds, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, are already on sale. A few people bought them and shared hands-on images, pricing details, and even reviews, all before Samsung's official reveal at the Unpacked event. What's up guys, Sal here. So two lucky Redditors got their hands on the Buds 3 Pro way before the official Samsung Unpacked event. How? By pure chance. They went to grab the Buds 2 Pro at Walmart, but fate had other plans. They spotted the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro behind the counter and convinced the store to sell them. Now thanks to these early adopters, we've got our first real-world glimpse of the upcoming earbuds. The leaked images showcase the retail box, charging case, and even the earbuds themselves. As expected, the design has taken a turn. We're going STEM style, similar to the AirPods Pro. But these aren't your average AirPod clones. These stems are more sharp and angular, giving the whole bud a bit of an industrial vibe. Honestly, they kinda remind me of the Tesla Cybertruck. The case also gets a redesign, sporting a transparent lid, and this lid is plastic, not glass. There's no speaker on the case, but the buds make a loud beeping noise, making them easy to locate. Color option seems to be gunmetal gray and white. They also showed the blade lights. While the exact function remains a mystery, it most likely serves as a battery indicator, and you can even customize the lighting style. They're off by default and require a squeeze of the stems to activate. Now before we dive into a full-blown review, remember these are just first impressions. The leaksters have only had the Buds 3 Pro for a day or two, but here's what they had to say. Feel and fit. The buds feel light and plasticky. One user felt they looked cheap, while another thought they looked premium. The fit is comfortable and snug, similar to AirPods Pro, but the longer stem might bother side sleepers. Sound quality. Big thumbs up. Both buyers reported better treble, deeper bass, and louder volume compared to AirPods Pro and Pixel Buds Pro. The improved ambient mode is said to outperform Apple's version. It seems the upgraded codec driver is doing its job. App and controls. Touch controls are responsive, and the app experience is excellent. Call quality is mixed. One user reported the other person sounded great, but their own voice sounded a bit high-pitched. This could be a pre-release software issue, hopefully fixable with an update. So what's the overall impression? Both reviewers were impressed with the sound quality, app features, and overall functionality. The design, however, might take some getting used to. It's a definite departure from the previous bulb-shaped design, and the Cybertruck vibes might not be for everyone. What about the price? Both of them were able to get it for $250. That's $20 more than the Buds 2 Pro and in line with what we were expecting. But here's the good news. You can save $50 right now by making a free reservation. Just enter your name and email to reserve and you'll get a guaranteed $50 to use towards your purchase. Plus, you'll automatically be entered into a giveaway to win $5,000 from Samsung. The best part? The reservation is free with no commitment to buy. Don't miss out, there are only a few days left. I'll put the offer link down in the description. And by the way, the Buds 3 will have an open-ear design, while the Pro version looks more conventional. Now here's our biggest leak of the Z Fold 6 yet. Check it out right here, and I'll see you there.